you go in the castle and be
I am in the castle.
Okay, but you need to tell me when. Say, I'm gonna tell you when to come out, and I'm gonna say, Ophelia, come out, okay?
No, you're gonna be
She's gonna be Snow White.
you're gonna be the farm woman.
No, you be the farm woman. That's how the witch goes.
Oh, and you be the stepmother.
Okay, so.
How about I be the mean queen?
Okay, then.
Made the apple.
Then get that to Snow White, farm queen. Oh, he knows. That's Snow White.
Yeah.
Here you go.
Now you're gonna farm me with this poison apple. No, you can't tell me.
What?
You can't tell me.
Oh.
So that you went once into me and then you gave me an apple.
Go make a farm apple.
I did.